Hello, Kevin Yannick with Pit and Quarry Magazine. We've got with us once again Anthony Konya, Vice President of Precision Blasting Services. Anthony, great to see you once again.
Yeah, thanks for having me back, Kevin.
Well, Anthony, we visited on a few different topics. We talked about education. We've talked about multivariate blast design, all topics you can see in different videos on pitandquarry.com. But let's talk about technology and what changes you're seeing right now. I think just thinking back on some of the content you've shared with Pit and Quarry over the years, you present a great history of blasting and where technology has kind of evolved. It's a long history, but maybe more recently we're seeing some exciting developments emerge in the blasting space. Tell us what's most exciting to you when you think about technologies that are coming to the forefront.
Yeah, there's a lot of great innovation coming out now. We're seeing drones and artificial intelligence being incorporated. We're seeing autonomous systems. We're seeing new control systems coming out on bulk trucks. But probably the technology that's got me most excited right now is some of the new developments in emulsion and emulsion manufacturing. Now, in our company, we build emulsion plants and we develop and manufacture different types of emulsion explosives. And we've developed these plants all over the world now. And one of the new things that we're seeing coming out is a better, more stable, higher energy emulsion. And the simplest way I can break this down is the major energy component in emulsion is the ammonium nitrate. Now, there's other components in there like water, and water just takes away energy from that emulsion. So across the board, we've traditionally seen a set amount of ammonium nitrate in those emulsion products. And that's because when we're normally designing an emulsion, we sort of play a balancing act. We can have high ammonium nitrate, but low stability and shelf life, or we can have lower ammonium nitrate with high stability and shelf life. Now, the biggest innovation that I think that we're seeing right now is by new manufacturing techniques that we've started to employ, we can get the high ammonium nitrate content, which produces about 20% more energy than the traditional emulsions people are using today. And we can get extremely stable emulsions. They're very insensitive, and we're seeing a 3 to 5 year or longer shelf life from these emulsions. And it has a lot to do with the design, the manufacturing processes, but that's something that I see as the sort of next big step in this industry, because with that increase in explosives, emulsions become much more cost effective for a wide variety of applications. And I think that that's going to be the next immediate in 2-3 year big step we're going to see moving in the explosives industry itself.
Are we seeing practical application of that right now on a widespread level, Anthony, or no?
Yeah, we're seeing it. We're seeing it almost every day. So we have plants over in Europe that are running and developing this product and shipping it out every single day to the mine sites out there. The last plant we set up was in Mongolia, and this product's being used at the OT mine and some of the other big mines over in Mongolia. And we've set up other plants on 5 different continents so far. So we're seeing it rapidly being applied. People are really enjoying the product. They're very excited about it because at the end of the day, they get to reduce their drilling and blasting costs, paying pretty much the same amount per pound, but getting that 20% increase in energy. So the mines are loving it. We're seeing it used worldwide today.
Cost savings and more productivity. I think that's something that everybody wants to hear. So
Yeah.
everybody, Anthony Konya, great to see you, Anthony, and stay well.
Yeah. Thank you. You too.